This is the Curious Cat.
These guys aren't a threat to anyone.
These guys are a threat to themselves.
Drinking it.
Ginger.
Holy crap.
Oh, hey, what's
Wine.
this?
No, my men! Quickly, men! Pick yourselves up before the enemy sees! Come on now. That's it. Easy does it.
No, don't go away.
Bravest warriors, I ask you, must we have our butts handed to us by everyone we meet? How will we ever splash around in the brains of our enemies if you guys can't take 2 steps without exploding? Blah, blah, I'm looking at you.
We can't see.
Can I please just get one victory?
I have a feeling she had her head in there, though.
No, don't start that. Don't you do it.
We'll just smash them all.
What? No, man, look. These guys are
Yep,
gonna
she's done.